Happy Teachers Day, everyone. So, is my voice clear? Can you show me thumbs up? If my voice is clear, can you show me thumbs up? Yeah. Good. Very good. We'll wait for 5 minutes. We'll wait for 5 minutes and we will start the session of today's Teachers Day celebration. We'll wait for 5 minutes. Today only you can send messages. Today I will unmute. Whoever is getting ready for the presentation, they can unmute. I will give that option for you. Slow, I know that you are very brilliant. You are Hrithik Roshan, slow. Good evening, Zahid. If other teachers can turn on your camera so that you all can turn on, so other teachers, other students will also see and they will also interact with you. Yeah. Very good. If you have one mobile, all members can join at a time. Mehul, please wait. Please wait. Let everyone join. So still some more students have to come. Please wait. Okay, fine. So, how many of you are ready with your presentation for Teachers Day? Can you all send in the messages? Can you all send in the chat box? Whoever is ready for presentation for Teachers Day, please send in the chat box. Okay, me, Shreyansh, me and Vidhi. Okay, are now ready. Moksh and Moksh or Kanishka, I don't know. Who is that? I am ready. Vidhi is ready. Mehul is ready. Very good. Shlok Jain. Very good. Who is going to play the role of Asha sir? Send messages. Send message. Who is going to play the role of Asha sir? Today I don't mind. You can act however you want. Shreyansh, Moksh, Shlok. Okay, fine. I'll give chance for everyone. I'll give chance for everyone. That's good. Dumbo. The Dumbo. Okay, fine. Okay, you can do that. I'll give chance. I'll give San and do it. So, okay, wow, that's good, man. Who will sing? Sony will sing or Rajesh ma'am will sing? For Teachers Day. Sing a song for all teachers. Very good. Send your names. Who is going to do what? What are you going to do? Please turn on your cameras if it is possible, everyone. Because it's recording. Who would like to do it first? Who would like to do it first? Can you send the messages? Arnav. Okay. Shreyansh and Vidhi. Okay. Then Vidya also. Give chance then. Then whom should I give chance? Everyone is raising the hand. Okay. Can you tell me your slides? How many slides do you have in the chat box? All the students, those who have prepared, send your slides number. How many slides do you have? He also has made. Okay, very good everyone. Good to see you all. Good to see everyone here. Can you all send me how many slides did you prepare for the presentation? Okay. Okay, fine. Very good. Very good. So I would like to start with Arnav. Is that okay for everyone? Arnav, are you ready? I think not Arnav. I think again Vidhi has to help. Arnav, are you ready? Okay, ready. Arnav, show me thumbs up. Are you ready or not? Mehul is not agreeing. Okay, then I'll give chance for Shreyansh first. Shreyansh. Arnav, it's okay Arnav. First Shreyansh will do, next Arnav. So meanwhile you can get ready. Shreyansh, please unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So me and Vidhi are together.
So you and Vidhi. So Shreyansh, video is not proper. It's okay, fine. If video is not good, it's okay, fine. Can you speak something? Shreyansh and Vidhi, age order wise. Okay, can we do age order wise? That's better, right? Yeah. So send me your Arno. How old are you? Mehul 8, Vidhi 8. Arno, how old are you? Where is Arno? Arno, turn on your video. Okay, Arno. Okay, then Arno will start. So today our students are going to present teacher's role and they are going to participate. I request you all can enjoy today. So please enjoy today.
Sir, I would like to do next.
Okay, you would like to do next? Okay, then I'll give chance for Mehul. I'll give chance for Mehul. Yeah, Mehul.
Give one picture to sir. I have made.
Wow, happy Teachers Day. Wow, it's beautiful. Yeah, yeah, Mehul, please go ahead. Present yourself.
Sir, always be kind to me. And wonderful. He's very kind and he plays with us.
Good. Very good. That's so sweet, Mehul. Thank you. Next, Shlok. Next, Mehul. Sorry, Moksh and Kanish. Moksh and Kanish. After that, I'll give chance.
Moksha and dummy, sir.
Yeah, Moksh and Kanish both can do it.
Huh?
I request others, if it is possible,
Yes, sir,
turn
first
on
I'll
your
present
camera.
my
I request others, if it is possible, turn on your cameras so that others will participate and others will also have something. Oh,
Happy Teachers Day.
oh, this is okay. My photos. Oh, for Ashra sir and Sarika ma'am. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, who is presenting?
You both are not a teacher, but you are a friend more than a teacher. You are all in one. You are all in one friend, more than a friend, because you teach us how to do conversations. You make us play Kahoot, and you play with us, etc. But we can't find any of these features in our school teacher.
Wow, that's so sweet.
So just don't come in between me.
Just click next, Mox. No problem. There is an option, or else you can use your
I am not able to click the
keyboard arrows. You can click keyboard arrows also. Or else if you go down, you will get the options. Down, left side, your left side. Down, if you go down, you will get the option. Yeah, Vidhi, are you ready, Vidhi? Vidhi, are you ready? Vidhi, you should connect your audio. Yeah.
Yes, sir, I am ready.
I cannot see you, Vidhi. Yeah. Yeah, Vidhi. You can start.
Sir,
So, Vidhi, how old are you?
sir, I am 10 years old.
Okay. Now, Vidhi, she is 10 years old. So, she is going to present something. So, I request everyone to watch and enjoy.
Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Why
you.
is Teachers Day? The festival Teachers Day is traditionally celebrated by Hindu Hindus to pay their respect to the teachers and express their gratitude. The birth date of second President of India, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, 1st September 1888, has been celebrated as Teachers Day since 1992.
Oh, that's good. Good information.
Guru Brahma, Guru Krishna, Guru Ishvara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Which means, in Hinduism, the way of Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, also known as three deities, responsible for the world, in which Brahma is creator of all universe. Vishnu is one who is responsible for maintaining it, while Shiva is destroyer. I would like Shans to continue.
Point on Teachers Day. Teachers are the honorable Lord Everett. Our teachers are very kind and helpful to us all. 5th September is recorded as Teachers Day every year. Children shower their teachers with cheers, greetings, and gifts to express their love. Harsha Sir's speciality. Our sir is always in a happy and joyful mood. He never says no to teach something out of the box. He never shouts on us. Instead, he explains us in a calm way. There are no words to say his speciality. This slide is a small place to write about him. Happy Teachers Day and have a great day ahead, sir.
Thank you, Vidhi and Shreyans. Thank you so much. That was lovely, lovely. Still, next, who is going to give? Can you send message? Who is going to present? That was lovely, that was lovely. Vidhi. Okay, Vidhi. Yeah, Vidhi. Yeah. Oh my God. Where did you get these photos?
Happy Teachers Day, Harsha sir.
Thank you. Where did you get these photos?
Without you, we were a mobile without charge. Thank God, during this pandemic, we met you and made us did. Whenever Harsha sir class staff, we all feel Harsha. Harsha sir teaches us by making us play. He never shouts at us. He made us open our
Oh, that's superb.
Thank you, Harsha sir, for everything you did us and made us what we are. Honestly, I will never forget you as gave teachers their
Oh, that was so beautiful. That was lovely. That was lovely, Vidhi. That was lovely. Where did you get my photos, Vidhi?
Sir, Sarika ma'am gave me.
Okay, fine. That's so sweet. That's so sweet of you. That's so sweet of you. Thank you. Next, who is going to give? Who is going to give next? Can you send a message? Yeah, Moksha. Where is Moksha? I cannot see. Yeah, I can see here. Yeah. Yeah, Moksha, please unmute.
Sit properly.
Yeah, Moksha. Sorry, Kanish.
Yes, sir, just a second. I'll share.
Yeah. Still, so many people have to join other batches. I think they will be busy today.
Happy Teachers Day by me, for Harsha sir and Sarika ma'am.
Thank you, Kanishk and Moksha.
You are not a teacher, but you are a friend more than a teacher. You are all in one friend more than a friend because you teach us how to do conversation. You make us play Kahoot and you play with us. But we can't find any of these teachers in our school teachers.
No, they are also, they can.
Harsha sir, you never see yourself. Today, me, Kanish, I want to show who you are. I would like to start this presentation by showing you yourself.
No, Kanishk, not like that. I'm just normal. Yeah, people.
Well, actually, this slide is made by you. Because if you wouldn't help me, I would not be able to make this slide.
Yeah, presentation skills. Very good.
Future fact. Teachers' Day must be celebrated on Harsha Sir's and Sarika Ma'am's birthday.
Oh my God, Ganesh. Why? Oh my God. That
I
is,
think it will take
yeah.
slides. I think it will take 9 slides to appreciate you. But I can't do this, so I appreciated you with 4 slides. Sorry.
Wow, so sweet of you. So sweet of you.
Detail. Name Aisha. Profession teacher. Eye color dark brown. Hair color black. Favorite color blue. Birthplace. Um,
Oh my God.
just a second. Birthplace Marka. Birth date 2nd April.
Oh my God. That's so sweet. That's so sweet, Ganesh. Love you. Love you. Mox, very good.
Thank you and enjoy your Teacher's Day.
Happy Teachers
Goodbye.
Day.
Come
Wow. Mox. Very good. That was beautiful. Where did you get all these details? Love you all. Where did you get?
got it from remake.
Oh,
I
good.
made it from detail from Sarika ma'am.
Oh, okay. Okay,
The
good,
host
good.
wants to imitate you, sir.
Yeah, okay,
The host
Mox.
wants to imitate you, sir.
Yeah. Can you stop sharing? One moment. One moment. Kanish, can you stop sharing so that Mox will be visible very clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Mox.
Good morning, Flok Rashan.
Come on.
Kani, Jumbo. I told to write sentence present continuous. You are writing present participle again.
Wow. Still.
Morning, Mox. Yeah.
Mox Bhaiya. Shlok Bhaiya. I use Shlok Bhaiya.
The Flok Rashan, sir.
Yeah. Yeah,
Ritik
good.
Roshan gave the brain to Slok and Slok gave his brain to Ritik Roshan.
Yeah. That was so sweet of you, Moksha and Kanish. Seriously, it was really appreciable for you that you have made presentation, and I hope that you are developing your skills. That's really appreciable.
Good evening, everyone. First, I would like to wish Asasra and Sarika ma'am happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, Naman. Thank you so much.
Teachers are like precious gel who frame our future. For me, my teachers are my second parents. I consider my teachers are my second parents because they are very helpful, guide me in right track, and are very kind to me. Today, the education is because of the teachers. If there are no teachers, no education. I want to dedicate a poem to my teachers. I am thankful to God as He gave a nod and I help me meet my teacher, who is my second teacher. He, he is the ocean of knowledge. whom I will always acknowledge. He is bitter, so and sweet, and is always happy when we meet. Now I miss her. Now I miss him a lot, as the situation has made a blot. I pray you, God, from my bottom of my heart, please delete this academic from your chart, so that I can meet my teacher, who is my friend, guide, and philosopher, who can take me new heights further. Thank you once again. Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Wow, that's so sweet poem. Wow, wonderful, Naman. Wonderful. Wonderful, Naman. That's so sweet. So next, who would like to do? Slok, are you? Slok Bhaiya.
Yes, yes,
Come.
sir.
Yeah, call me Bhaiya today. Come on, Slok.
Okay, sir.
So
Happy
what-
Teachers Day.
Thank you, Slok.
Teachers are the best part of one's life. They teach us moral values in life. Thank you for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. You make us play Kahoot and bear all our naughtiness. Thank you
Wow.
for being such a wonderful friend in their period of life. Happy Teachers Day!
Thank you.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwar, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Guru Namaha.
Very good. Wow, Slok.
Sir, you are like Hrithik Roshan. You are my Hrithik Roshan.
Oh, no, you're my Hrithik Roshan, Slok. You're my Hrithik Roshan.
Oh, you.
That's so sweet. That's so sweet, Shlok. That's so sweet of you. Love you, Shlok. Thank you. Next, who would like to present? Shlok, he is from Bangalore. He is from Karnataka. So very nice guy. Next, who is going to do? Can you send me message? Okay, Arnav and I want to present. Okay, Vidhi? Vidhi, can you turn on your camera? Everyone, please turn on. No, don't need to feel shy. Come on.
Sir, actually, Arna will do in another laptop, sir.
Yeah, fine. But let him tell him to connect with the join audio. With the please connect audio. Yeah. Yeah. Arnav, I cannot see you, Arnav. If it is possible, can you turn on?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now he is 6 years old.
Sir, you disable me.
One moment. Yeah, I shared it now.
Yes. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. It's nice to meet you all. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Arno and I'm from grade 2. Today, I am here to read about Teachers' Day. The teachers guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us today's the day to thank them and say Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Hashia and Sarikam, you are the best, calm, happy teachers in the world. I have never seen such lovely teachers in the world. There are no words to say. Sir and ma'am is perfect in everything. Sir, you are a hero. Sir, you are a lovely teacher I have ever seen. Sir and ma'am, wishing you once again Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers Day. The great innovators and leaders are not born. They
Wow.
are motivated and inspired to do great things by great teachers like you. Thanks. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Have a
Wow.
great day ahead, Harsha sir and Sarika ma'am. Enjoy your day.
Wow, that was so lovely, Arnav. Very good, very good. Thank you so much, Arnav. Thank you so much for presenting. That was superb. Okay, now I'm going to unmute everyone. If you want to speak anything, you can speak. Okay, the chance is for Sarayu and Snehika. If you want to speak anything, come on, speak. Sarayu, yeah, come on, Sarayu and Snehika. Sarayu and Snehika, do you want to speak? Yeah, yeah.
Happy Teachers Day. Your teaching is very joyful, sir.
That's
From the heart, not in the book. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you, sir.
wow, that's so sweet of you. That's so sweet of you, Sarayu and Snehika. Wonderful, lovely. Next, Labdi. Would you like to speak anything, Labdi?
Don't spoil it. Don't do that.
Yeah, Labdi.
Sir,
Would you like to speak
Happy
anything?
Teachers Day, sir.
Wow, thank you. Thank you, Labdi. Yeah. Next, Sony. Would you like to speak, Sony? Sony, unmute.
Yes, sir. I want to. Yes,
Yeah.
for all teachers.
Yeah, Sony. Come on. Sony, unmute. Do not mute Sony. Yeah.
Can I share my screen, sir?
Yeah, you can share. You can share. Do not mute Sony. If you mute, you cannot unmute again.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please do.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah, Sony. I can see you.
Can you see, sir, my screen?
Yes, please. Yes, we can see.
Good evening to everyone. It's nice to see you all again. Let me introduce myself to you. I'm Tony and I'm from grade 8. Now, I would like to tell for Arsha sir and Sarika ma'am, Happy Teachers Day. For all
Thank you.
teachers, also Happy Teachers Day. Now,
Very
I would
good.
like to sing a song. Day by day, you watch me how I grow. Step by step, you can always get me so. Right from wrong, you guide me in your way. For you are the reason of what I am today. So happy Teachers Day. With love and care and smile and strength, you lead me in your way. So thank you on this day. You, for you are the reason of what I am today. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And Sarika ma'am and all the Sarika ma'am and Harsha sir, all the teachers enjoy your day.
Wow,
Thank you, sir.
that's so sweet. That's so sweet, Sony. Wow, lovely,
Thank you, sir.
lovely, Sony. Lovely. Very good song. Beautiful song. Yeah.
Thank you.
Jnana. Jnana, would you like to speak anything?
So I didn't do anything, so can I speak my own?
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful, Jnana. You can go ahead.
Good morning, good evening, everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Janakrishna and I am with Francis. First, I would like to wish the Sarika ma'am and Harsha sir and every teacher happy Teachers Day.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Next, Shreyans. Do you want to speak? Yeah.
Sir, where is Sarika ma'am, sir?
Sarika ma'am, actually, she is busy with Little Harsha. Little Harsha is nowadays is becoming. Actually, Sarika ma'am wanted to join today, even in this, so unexpectedly.
Please, sir, can you
Little, I'll try. I'll try. I'll try because little
type it
not allowing. Little Harsha is not allowing. He's a little bit making some noise. Okay. So fine. Now that's so sweet of you all the students. That's lovely for presenting on Teachers' Day. So once again, I wish you happy Teachers' Day. And a request: if any teachers would like to speak something on behalf of students, or if you want to share your experience, I request you can. Who would like to speak? Any teacher? Please share your experiences, how you have become the teacher, and it will be inspiration for our students also. Can you share your experience? Anyone? Please do not mute, ma'am. Again, it will not unmute. Okay, Naman, you can. After, yes,
Yes,
Usha, ma'am.
yes, sir. Are you getting my voice, sir?
Yes, ma'am. We are getting your voice.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. We are getting.
Okay. First of all, thanks to all kids. Thanks to all kids. Uh, all are doing. All are presenting very well. Very uh, good slides. So
Yes.
I feel very happy to see that, sir.
Very
Um,
good. Yeah.
So the kids were doing miracles, sir. So all
Yeah.
slides were very nice, sir.
Very good.
Thank you
So,
to all children. So it is good memory to me, not only me, to all.
yes.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, you're welcome, ma'am. That's so sweet of you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, ma'am. Okay. Joshna, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. Happy Teachers' Day
Thank you too, ma'am.
and happy Teachers' Day to all teachers. And our kids are very awesome kids, sir. Really,
Oh, that's super.
really
Yeah,
awesome.
lovely.
You are really, sir. Wonderful. Really, presentations are very wonderful, and your speaks very amazing, sir. And like Rajnikant and something
More
said, right?
Yeah,
Like
they're preparing. Yeah.
very super, and songs also super, and presentations and said about yours
Yes.
son man,
Yeah.
like friend, like everything you so very nice. Thank you our children. I would like to thanks to all children.
Yeah.
I'm happy to say that.
Yes. Thank you so much.
I'm happy to say that I'm also a family member in this SNAP institution.
Yeah, that's so
I'm
so,
so
so
happy
sweet.
today.
That's so sweet. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you to everyone.
Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone,
Thank you, sir.
for being a part of Snap Institution and believing us and to reach your and to fly in the colors of your life and enhancing your skills. That's really appreciable. Thank you so much. And still, anyone would like to speak? Rajeshwari ma'am. Sony or Rajeshwari ma'am? Where is Sony? Sony name. Sony name is not there. Yeah.
Sir, I have a gift for you, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Sir, I have
Yes.
a gift for you, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir, I will.
Yeah, meanwhile you come, Naman will imitate us. So Naman, where are you? Naman, can you turn on your camera?
Sir,
Yeah, Naman. So Naman is going to imitate Aksha sir.
okay.
Yeah, Naman. Labdi. Naman is doing Labdi. One moment, Labdi. I'll give chance. Yeah, Naman.
Sir, a
Yeah.
last
Your
night you
gift,
know.
sir.
Oh, Sony, that's so sweet.
This is your
Sir,
gift, sir.
Yeah, that's so sweet.
when you will start the class at morning.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
thank you.
It is for you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sunny. I love chocolates. I love sweets more. Yes. Yeah, Naman. Naman, where are you?
Sir,
Yeah, Naman. You can continue.
when you start the class, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. Please unmute. Turn on your video. If you don't turn on your video, remove from the meeting. Today we not do anything. Vidhi, please share the south screen. Sir, then Abhi will ask, sir, are you playing, sir? You will say, sir. No, you play. Then you will guess the answer, sir.
Ah, that's so sweet.
Sir, one more, sir.
Yeah.
Are Dumbo, I said you no, you should not do like that.
That's so sweet now. That's so
Sir, one more again, sir.
Yeah, please.
I said you know you should open your YouTube channel. See how Naman is opening. You just all see him and do.
Yeah, correct. Very good. So sweet of you, Naman. So sweet of you. Yeah, still. So, still anyone would like to speak? Please send a message. Okay, Kanish.
Sir, I wanted to imitate you, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, hey Dumbo, what are you doing? I told you to write. No, where did you write? And
Still.
Nabdi, I can see your brother.
Yeah. No, no, Labdi. Labdi. Mokshi is imitating now. Labdi, not now. Mokshi is just imitating that. That I used to say the sentence, right? Yeah. Yeah, Labdi. Yeah. That's so sweet of you all. Would anyone like to speak? Sir, son, tell sir. I'm not understanding, sir. Are you? Okay. So, okay, he's there. Yeah. Did, please unmute, sir. Are you? Manila ma'am? Yeah.
Happy Teacher's Day.
Thank you, hero. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Wonderful presentation, sir.
Yeah, that's yeah.
All teachers happy.
Yeah. Yes.
Memorable things, sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. It's a memory for everyone. Yeah, Vidhi and Shreya.
Yes, sir.
No, not you, Vidhi. Vidhi and Shreyansh. Where are they? Yeah, fine. Yes, yes, Vidhi and Shreyansh. Slok, in this special moment, can you sing a song for us? Yeah, get ready. Yes, Shreyansh. Shreyans, unmute.
Sir, I'm gonna imitate you, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. When we are in any conversation, you
Yeah.
you start with the tale.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shreyans and Kanishk will be presenting the conversation. So let's go. Listen in class.
Yeah.
Listen in class. Good morning, everyone. Close your eyes and start doing meditation.
Meditation.
Okay, so today we'll be learning present continuous tense. So let's start. Uh, so you will present the slide, then you say full form of the verb, everything.
Yeah.
See, can you say me what is full form of the verb do we use in present continuous tense?
He will
You
not.
don't know. Dumbo, you don't know. How many times I've said you to read? Tomorrow there'll be a test in all the 7 tests. If you don't say, I'll remove you from the class. Mind it. Then when the test, on the test date, then Kanish come. Then you say, Kanish, I'll ask you a question, you answer. What is what is the helping verb of present continuous tense? Then you will say, hey Ganesh, Garadambo, you are seeing there. I cannot leave you tomorrow. Wait, come to the class tomorrow. I'll show you.
So sweet. Yeah, that's very good. Very good. Yeah, Vidhi. Yeah, Vidhi. Yeah.
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, on Monday, I will give Sarika also made presentation. I will give her also.
Yeah, she will come. Yeah, definitely. Sure, sure. Okay, Arnav wants to act like me. So act like you. Okay, Arnav. Where is Arnav? Yeah, Arnav.
Yes, sir.
After Labdi will act.
What? I told you write the tenses, right? Write the homework. Why, Dumbo? Did Ritik Roshan give you your break? You gave the Ritik Roshan.
Shlok gave his brain to Hrithik Roshan.
Why? Give me the reason, please.
Yeah.
Shlok Bhaiya, namaste.
Yeah, that's so sweet. That's so sweet, Arnav. Yeah, Labdi. Labdi.
So 1 minute, sir. Can you give me?
Yeah, you can share, Labdi. Don't unmute, Labdi. Sorry, don't mute. Don't mute. Keep it like that.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you give me 5 minutes? In 5 minutes, can I share the screen?
Okay, after that you can share. Okay, then. Meanwhile, wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Actually, in between, maybe internet issues, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
In between, we didn't listen to it properly. Beautiful. Very good. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful song. Beautiful students. Yes, Shlok.
Yes, sir. It is already.
Yeah, we are. And one more favorite dialogue of Shlok's. Sir, it's already 5:30. Yeah. Rajeshwari ma'am, yeah, thank you so much. Rajeshwari ma'am, something, yeah, brothers. Uh, okay, fine. So, thank you so much everyone for participating today. I wish all the teachers a happy Teachers' Day for you all and your sacrifice, and especially a salute to the online trainers, those who are giving online trainings, even though teachers are developing their online effort, their efforts, and they don't know how to use the technology, even though they are learning and they are developing. So hats off to all the teachers, whoever is presenting online, even in your school online classes, maybe some of you are attending maybe other online classes, learning some workshops. So now everything is coming like that. So that's so sweet of you all. So I respect all the teachers and a big salute to all the teachers to continue the same hype for our beautiful children to prepare the next generation. Thank you so much everyone for participating. Okay, so Labdi wants to share. Yeah, Labdi. One moment, Labdi. Yeah, Labdi. Please mute.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Only for 2 minutes we will discuss. Thank you, and have a great day ahead. Was it last?
Excuse me, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. You can just keep. You can use down arrow mark left side. You can use down arrow.
Yes, sir. Good evening and happy Teachers' Day.
Yeah.
Sir, I love you.
Love you
Teaching
too.
so many things. Like in Sir, you also love to share the Kahoot screen. And you give Kahoot to play and I have lot of fun. Thank you, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Wow, lovely. That's so sweet. That's so sweet, lovely. Thank you so much for presenting. So see, you all are 6 years, 7 years, 8 years old, and you all are learning presentation skills. That's I'm really happy for that. You all are learning and developing. So please continue the same hype every time, whatever you want to present. So I wish, and especially I congratulate all the parents. Even they are also teaching you because of this online training. The human touch we are missing as the teachers, but as the parents they are helping you. So now you can a big salute to all the parents, whoever is supporting your students, your children to attend online training. A big salute to all the parents also, and guiding them how to enroll that online training, how to use the technology, and how you are doing all your works. A big salute to all the parents also. So thank you so much all the parents for supporting your children to learn in different way. Thank you so much. Okay then, so now, so we are going to leave now. So thank you so much everyone. So thank you so much all the teachers for participating here, and all the students and all the family members for participating in Snap Institution. Snap Institution is always ahead for you all to help you in every aspect. Wow, that's so sweet. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye everyone.
Have a good day.
Bye bye. Oh my god. Oh bye bye. Yeah, everything. Bye Jinal. Jinal. Bye bye. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Oh my god. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you.